talking about solids. Okay? We're not talking about liquid, we're talking about solids. Which is very common because in the food industry, you'll be processing solids. Okay, not necessarily liquids, solids. So how do you handle this? It's very straightforward. Let's assume 50 grams is 50 mils. Okay, so that means this will be, the first step will be 50 in 450 plus 50. That's already a 10 times dilution. Very straightforward, right? So it's a minus 1. That's all. And this becomes minus 2, minus 3. So the other important point, once your dilution factor is out, everything is out. So make sure you know how to calculate your dilution factor. Another point, important point, is this. Is this spread plating? Is it pour plating? How many mils inoculum? Because that will affect your final answer. 250, 25 to 250, 30 to 300. That's the first guideline. So you only need this. You call this the concentration of your sample. So 1 over millions, no? 1 over 10 millions. But when you want to calculate back to per mil of the sample, you have to times the inverse of your dilution factor, the inverse, okay? So 40, 10 power 3, but here, okay? Okay, so now let's see. This one only, so it's 55 times 10 power 6. Oh, this is correct, very good. No, this is wrong, right? This is 5.5. So 55 will be correct. Okay? This one is also wrong. Why? A count ratio is more than 2. 650 over 300, more than 2. So you only take this. Okay, not power 2 but power 3 because of, okay? This one, no count at all, so it must be less than this. Okay, less than 1 times 10 power 5. This one, so it's above the theoretical maximum, you only report this. So remember to put more than times 10 power, this 4, but 5. This one, everything is below the range, but this is the nearest, so 23 times 10 power 2. But because this is spread plating, power 3. Then finally, yeah, so this one will be average. Average is 270 times 10 power 6. Whoa, this is correct. Very good.